It's frustrating when you realize that you've lost the power to charge your gadgets or vehicle. Batteries die for all sorts of reasons. In this video, we'll share the benefits of reconditioning batteries instead of having new ones. It saves you money. The old battery cell can be reconditioned easily. You don't need more than essential household items and a few simple tools. You can save a lot of money if you do this. The cost of new batteries in cars and motor vehicles is a significant expense. This expense can easily be saved if you start reconditioning your old batteries. The step-by-step guide is given in the video description. It saves green energy. Green energy is being used more and more today, but it is still a mind-twisting issue of saving this energy affordably. The batteries designed to do this can be expensive, and old, fixed batteries make a great storage option. This way, you can save both money and green energy. It saves you trouble. If you find yourself in a situation where your current battery goes dead, and you're in the middle of nowhere, knowing how to fix a battery will be useful. Once you know how to do it, it will save you the trouble and the inconvenience that dead batteries can cause. No investment is needed. Learning how to repair an old battery is accessible to everyone who wants to know how. There is also no need for monumental machines and a lot of investment. It can be begun as a pastime, and anyone can apply it on any occasion. The skill is developed with each assignment you take on, and the work can be performed using simple tools and devices. You can earn a side hustle. Most of the time, the thought that comes to restoring the batteries is related to personal use. However, a growing industry of professional battery reconditioning is becoming more critical in the energy and power sector, especially when microgrid is becoming an important part of the energy infrastructure. It is a simple skill, and there's a vast market for this business. Final thought. Reconditioning dead batteries requires no special qualifications or professional experience. Like anything else, you need focus, practice, and simple tools to use, along with the knowledge of reviving dead batteries. The simple step-by-step guide is given in the video description. If you are an action taker, may grab this opportunity.